Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first we have to go for the Play Store, but let me just turn off this iOS launcher. And okay, right now we are back in the Android, so let's go for the Play Store, tap in the search pool and type here LED keyboard. We can also take it from the quick list. Let's get this application from the SASIC Studio. Let's open. Click right here, click on the switcher and then tap OK 2 times. Then just go back and click select, and of course we have to go for our LED keyboard. And here we are able to pick up our favorite keyboard theme. So I'll show you my favorite, the Unlimited. After that, click save. And right now we can close everything and just check it out how our keyboard looks right now. So as you can see, here it is. So it's very easy. I hope that'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.